A trend is the overall direction in which the market is moving, either uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. In an uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. In a downtrend, price forms lower highs and lower lows. Explanation: trends reflect market sentiment, whether buyers or sellers are in control. Understanding the trend helps you avoid trading against momentum and instead align with smart money flow. The trend gives you the direction, your strategy gives you the entry. Smart money concepts. In SMC, trend is defined by market structure shifts. An uptrend is valid until a break of structure to the downside happens. A downtrend continues until a bullish BOS flips the bias. We don't guess the top or bottom, we follow the liquidity, structure, and order flow.